Here we're looking at a 150-piece self-drilling screw assorted set. These screws are made out of strong 410 stainless steel, and they are self-drilling. These self-drilling screws are great for metal and can be versatile, can be used for plastic, wood, and other surfaces. It has a hex head, so this works great with screw guns. So what is a self-drilling screw? Well, the drill bit shaped tip allows these screws to be used without a pilot hole, saving user time. So basically this is good for fixing things, DIY projects, adding let's say handles to metal carts or anything that a regular wood screw cannot do, and you don't have to drill pre-holes using a drill bit and then using inferior screws. You can just use this self-drilling screw and fasten whatever you need to fasten without the use of pre-drilled holes, and it's strong enough and sharp enough to go through metal, tough plastic, wood, and all other surfaces. So if you need to make a repair on metal roofing or HVAC system, ductwork, steel frames of anything, attach something to steel legs of tables or carts, just about anything you could think of, as long as it can go through the metal, you're good to go with these screws. So if you have a screw gun, you definitely need a pack of these in the house for those just in case situations and preventing you to have to run to the store whenever you need a quick fix. So this is a no-brainer. I have this in my toolbox and you should too.